EFX stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Equifax stock, all I'm gonna say is that it's a solid bullish market. And when I say bullish market, that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm gonna come here and just randomly start buying, because not every bullish market is something to be bought at that exact moment, you know. Like the 13.5% increase in price, but if I don't see no corrections, just a tiny bit corrections, right, then randomly buying is just not what I'm gonna do. But I definitely will keep an eye on EFX, because that's when I get the most leverage myself. Well, how do I know this? You could be like, Mr. Sicko, how do you know this? Well, maybe because I've done this for 39,000 videos for 5 years. Well, let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.